Welcome to Star Biker, where we bring you the latest and most trusted motorcycle updates. Today we're exploring the 2026 Honda Shine 125, a commuter bike designed for riders who want efficiency, reliability, and modern style in one perfect package. Refreshed design. The 2026 Honda Shine 125 arrives with a cleaner, sharper look that gives it a more premium road presence. With a redesigned headlamp, sleek body panels, and bold graphics, it maintains its classic commuter appeal while adding a modern touch that suits today's riders. Engine and performance. Powered by a refined 125 cubic centimeters engine, the new Shine delivers smooth acceleration and reliable power for daily riding. The engine is tuned for better fuel efficiency and lower vibrations, making city commuting and highway cruising both comfortable and economical. Ride comfort and handling. The upright riding position, well-cushioned seat, and improved suspension setup make the 2026 Shine 125 ideal for long daily rides. Its lightweight frame and balanced handling allow riders to move through traffic with ease and confidence. Technology and features. Honda adds useful modern features to the 2026 Shine 125, including a digital analog instrument cluster, better lighting, and enhanced safety systems. These updates improve visibility, control, and overall riding convenience. Fuel efficiency and reliability. One of the biggest strengths of the Shine 125 remains its impressive mileage. Combined with Honda's trusted build quality, this bike is made to deliver years of low-maintenance, trouble-free riding. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda Shine 125 continues to be one of the best choices for daily commuters who value comfort, economy, and reliability. With its updated design and improved features, it proves once again why the Shine name is so respected in the 125 cubic centimeter segment.